Data querying. What is data query? Query refers to the action of retrieving data from your database. An example of a query is finding out how many individuals in your database live in a certain city. Let's start. Let's open the attribute table. It is found on the lower center of your screen. Point your mouse, then drag it upwards to expand the window. Alternatively, you can open the attribute table of a certain layer by going to the Layer tab. Click the ellipsis, then choose View in Attribute Table. Take note that the table will not appear in the attribute table if the layer is off. In the attribute table, there are different tools. Filter by map extent. If you want to see all the records on the map view, enable the Filter by Map extent. If you want to see all the information, disable the Filter by Map extent. Zoom is used to have a closer view of the feature. Another shortcut is to double-click the feature. It will automatically zoom to the selected feature. Clear selection is to unselect the selected feature. Refresh is to see the most updated data. You can arrange the data by ascending or descending order. Just click the field and select Sort Ascending or Sort Descending. To start the data query, click on Options, select Filter, and click on Add Expression. Select the field that you want to filter. Fields that you can filter depend on what information you have on your data. Of course, you will know your data better. For this example, let's query which buildings are classified as commercial. The first drop-down, we select Building or Land Use. For the second drop-down, make sure is selected. This option can also mean is equal to. On the third drop-down, select Commercial. Click OK to start filtering your data. At the bottom left, you can see that only 335 out of 5,161 features are classified as commercial. You can add as many expressions as you want. Just repeat the steps and click on Add Expression, again, to add more filters to your data. Let's try to find out which commercial buildings have a structural type of C1L. Scroll through the table. You can only see features classified as commercial with structural type C1L. Minimize the attribute table and look at the map. After applying the filter, you can only see features classified as commercial with structural type C1L. Let's try adding another filter and select all C1L commercial buildings that are 2 stories high. Scroll through the table. You can only see features classified as C1L commercial buildings that are 2 stories high. You can query using new set of filters by removing your existing expressions. Just click the X button beside each filter to remove it. Removing all the filters will let you view all your data. Then click OK. Minimize the attribute table and look at the map. You can now see all the features of your layer again after removing the filters. Thank you for watching.